Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add a PDF to Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your Squarespace and click on edit. So right now I'm going to adding a PDF inside of this button. So I'm selecting the button and clicking on pencil icon and click on this gear icon next to link and select file, upload file, select your PDF, and you can turn on open in a new window. So when anyone click on the button, the PDF will open up in a new window. Now select the PDF file that you want to add and click on save. And now I'm going to clicking on this download PDF button, and here you can see the PDF file has been successfully added to my Squarespace website. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.